Today my animals are having almost as good day as a payday. It's called the hay day. Hey birds! I like to call these geese in our native language. We have the word honey without the, not like the honey, like bees honey, but honey as H-A-N-I. And I come out in the morning and I'm screaming, honey! Then they scream back. But today the hay quality is really excellent. And we have the surplus of hay in the community. We have really well off a farm here. They have nice grounds for making hay. And this time this is basically meat rabbit quality hay that people sell for expensive price, and we have surplus of it, so birds can start hiding their eggs again, and I can start walking around really quietly. Maybe I will feel the eggs before cracking them. Yeah. What can you say? That's what they say. Here they have the secret nest. Right now we emptied it out. Can't show you any eggs. Then I can show you a little bird we have here. Little bird is sleeping but screaming constantly. Let's try feeding. Worms are even moving, you see. Because I tried to feed the bird, but she wouldn't take it earlier. Oh yeah. I'm waiting for the parents. Yeah, it's not easy when your beak is a pliers, but bird doesn't seem to mind. Grab. Oh, that one he threw away. Hay gets in the way. Hay. Hay gets in the way. Hey! Oh. Go, eat it. Maybe the little bird is that went in. Congratulations, you get to leave. Parents usually come back, and we also have some entities in our country. You can mobilize them and they come and take every little animal, but they tend to ask for donations right afterwards, and I do not see it as appropriate. So I am waiting for nature to reclaim this bird, as the parents are singing up in the trees already. And my domestic birds will have a lot to do on the ground. They won't see her there, but she was in this bowl, and ducks like to crap in the bowls too much, so little bird just tried out and is comfortable, or how it's spelled. But rabbits also, they had the hay day, and rabbits' hay day is fun because I made a specific type of cage for them. Sorry for the mess. I have a simple homestead. I'm poor, I'm happy. My business is getting bigger every day, but I want to stay poor as a lifestyle. when I am monetarily rich. Yeah, rabbits. She's changing the fur. She has some winter fur on her, but she has cool rabbit face right now. They have quite a heyday, and this cage, it's unfinished yet. We have some missing metal works there, but it can be risen up like that. Every gap is filled. No predator will get in, and it's heavy enough. So why I did it is because when I collect the craft material, I have thin branches left over. I can raise it up and I can push the branches in, so they will have 2 cubic meters of branches to chew on. And it's comfortable for me and fun for them. And also I had a rabbit cage there. Maybe you saw it already. I had it as a gift, but it's industrial measured, you know, it's like a legal cage. It has been used for rabbits for a long time in another person's home, but for me it seems to be a bit too small. Maybe I will connect the sides and have like one male rabbit and second male rabbit living in these dwellings later. Yeah, but everything else is going real good. Today was a fantastic day. Yeah. Geese are fat, but also they are feathering, changing their coats, and they are looking a little bit bad, worse than usual. They look best in the winter, in my opinion. Crank, crank.